everyone. So let's continue to the second vulnerability in OWASP. And the second vulnerability in OWASP 2017 is broken authentication. So when any application functionality is broken or weak, and any attacker is able to bypass the authentication using session token flaws, brute forcing the application, no rate limiting, or password compromise using response manipulation or any other flaws, which gives an attacker temporary or permanent access to the user's identity, is known as broken authentication. What type of vulnerabilities lies under broken authentication? Vulnerabilities like OTP bypass, CAPTCHA bypass, common passwords brute force, no rate limit, or two-factor authentication bypass. Why broken authentication happens? Manipulated response is interpreted by the application. When any application takes decisions based on the manipulated response, then it becomes a vulnerability. When the application does not have a rate limit, there is no rate limit onto the application. The lack of session management. If any application is having improper session management, then also broken authentication can occur. So what can be achieved by a broken authentication? Temporary access to user's account can be achieved. Permanent access to any user's account can be achieved. Attacker can modify and alter any user's detail. Accounts can be used for malicious purposes to conduct attacks further on. So basically, any attacker can do a temporary or a permanent account takeover and modify the details like email ID, password, and other crucial and vital details into the account. So, how do we fix broken authentication issues? The first thing, a usage of strong authentication like JWT tokens, SAML, or open authorization can be used. Do not allow default or weak credentials. Escaping is the primary means to make sure the untrusted data can't be used to convey an injection attack. Okay, so you can also use rate limit. Also, usage of server side secure session management that generates high entropy secure sessions can also be used to fix broken authentication types of issues. Thank you.